Today we are going to install Sublime Text in Ubuntu operating system. For that we will search Sublime Text and then click the first link. Now we are on the Sublime Text website. Click the install for Linux button. We have different options here. We need to use Ubuntu. For that click the apt link. First of all we need to install the GPG key. Copy the code, right click, copy, open terminal, right click, paste, click enter, give your password, click enter, key is now added. Then we need to select channel, we will use table, copy the code, right click, copy, on the terminal, paste, click enter. Now we have added our channel. Then we need to update our sources. So copy code, sudo apt-get update, on the terminal right click, paste, click enter. Sources are now being updated. Done. Next we need to install the program. Copy the code, sudo apt-get install Sublime Text, right click, copy, on the terminal, paste, click enter. Program is now installed. Click the start button, type Sublime. We have installed the Sublime Text program. Thank you everyone.